Welcome to my channel.
Cisco Business 151AXM Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Extender Setup. 1. Unbox the extender. Take out the extender, power adapter, and quick start guide. 2. Choose the best location. Place the extender midway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area for best signal. 3. Power on the extender. Plug it into a power socket and wait for the LED to turn solid or blinking, ready mode. 4. Connect to the extender Wi-Fi. On your phone, laptop, connect to the default Wi-Fi name printed on the device label. 5. Open setup page. Go to https://ciscobusiness.cisco or http://192.168.1.1 in your browser. 6. Start the setup wizard. Click Start Setup, right pointing arrow, follow the on-screen instructions. 7. Select your router Wi-Fi. Choose your main router Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, right pointing arrow, enter your password. 8. Create mesh connection. Let the extender sync with the router. LED should turn solid blue, green, mesh linked. 9. Update firmware. Go to Administration, right pointing arrow, firmware upgrade, and install the latest update for performance. 10. Test Wi-Fi coverage. Walk around your home and check improved Wi-Fi strength using 5 GHz for speed and 2.4 GHz for long range. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.